Hey everyone, welcome to Aarvitex. I am Satya, your cloud and DevOps trainer with 8 years of real industry experience. If you are starting your DevOps journey in 2026, the very first thing you need is an AWS account. And I know it sounds simple, but most beginners make 3 or 4 mistakes during the setup that end up costing them money later. In this video, I am going to walk you through the entire AWS account creation step by step, including how to set up billing alerts so you never get a surprise bill, and how to enable MFA to keep your account secure. If you are new here, Aarvitex is where IT professionals learn cloud, DevOps, and AI with real hands-on labs. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. This is our Aarvitex website we specially designed for the students. And before we going to create an account, let me quickly tell you why AWS specifically. So AWS is one of the booming cloud service provider who is having providing all the A to Z infra as a service providers. AWS is the number one cloud platform in the world that is used by Amazon, Netflix, NASA, and thousands of Indian companies including TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. I'll briefly explain in my upcoming videos why we are using AWS a lot, why not other clouds. So which cloud suitable for which companies, which roles. I will explain all those things in the next session. This session, we are going to concentrate on the account creation. So when hiring managers look at your resume and see AWS experience, it immediately stands out. That's why every Aarvitex student starts with AWS. So the good news is, you guys know very well, AWS gives you a free tier of 12 to 16, like 6 months to 12 months. Previously it was 12 months. Now they reduced to 6 months. That means you can practice, build projects, and learn without spending a single rupee. So as long as you stay within the free limits, and I'll show you exactly how to do that today, and I am going to show you the setup of billing, alerts, everything. So don't miss the opportunity to utilize the upskill. So okay, before we go through AWS website, let me tell you, see, we have to type www.aws.or.amazon.com. You can see this page. So just create an account. It will land up to the account creation page. For account creation, you have to use your new email address. If you have already an account, if you try to recreate it again, it won't accept. You have to use the new user email again, and also you have to create a new verified mail with root account. So let me tell you. Yeah. So I have one mail ID, my own personal mail ID. So let me open that. Yeah. So here it is, you have to provide the mail ID like this, and also after that you have to create an account name. What is the account name? So you can keep any of your name. I suggest keep your personal name with some numerics. That will be better. So I can, but I am using the name called Aarvitex with the batch of maybe 2026 kind of. I can mention. So it is asking to verify the email. This is just a security verification, and you have to type this verification code as well, the S4NWND. Yeah, so the verification code send to your mail ID. Just I got the verification code 591883. Use the same 591883, and I am verifying the account. Once you verify the account, you have to set up the password. I'm going to choose my own password. Yeah, done. So I'm continuing next step. Yes. So here it is asking for a choose a free plan or a paid plan. I am choosing a free plan. That's more than enough to practice the labs. So previously they are providing 12 months, but nowadays they are giving you 6 months. So I'll explain all the billing concepts later in this video. I'm choosing the free plan. And here you can give the full name. I'm giving my name, and organization name is optional. You can give or not, it's up to your wish. I'm using our Indian phone number, and guys, phone number also needs a unique one, but I don't have unique phone number. Unique means you don't have the account using the particular phone number, but I have accounts using my phone number. I'm giving my existing phone number. So let's see that. This is our Aarvitex official mobile number. So you can call me at this number, and you can ping me at this number if you have any doubts. And those numbers is available in our website as well. If you scroll down, you can see the all the stuff with our mobile number. You can use that mobile number also to contact me directly. So I'm using the same number here. And the region, India. If you are in US or UK, just use those regions. But I am keeping the Indian region number. And the address, you can give any address. I am giving my not a real address. I am giving some fake address. So you can give any of your address if you want. So I'm giving something like this. Let it be. Okay. And I have agreed. Next. Here it is. So usually it's a verification process. AWS will charge you Indian rupee of 2 rupees in INR, and they will credit it to your account once the verification process completed. This is just for auto pay option, but we can disable that auto pay option in a billing. Don't worry, your amount won't debited from your account without your notice. So just this is a verification option. I'm going to give a credit card, debit card. You can give any of the card details, but make sure your card transaction must be enabled. That means international transactions. So in your card control, in your app, if you are using Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, any other banks, in your app, there you have the option called a international transaction enable. You have to enable that option, or else if you tried multiple cards also, it won't it won't verify, it won't debit your amount. So make sure you have to enable the international transactions. Okay, so let me give the card details and all the details. Once it's done, it is going to debit 2 rupees and complete the verification process. And you have to upload your PAN card as well, guys. So here, do you have PAN means just give S, and once you give S, you have to upload your PAN card details as well. That's a mandatory nowadays. So it's for verification purpose. Again, if you are a new user to create an AWS account, you can use your own PAN card. If you are already having the AWS account, if you already used your PAN card means, please try to utilize someone else, or else you can use yours. But if you use yours, you won't get the free account. So my suggestion, use a unique mail ID, use unique phone number, use unique PAN card verification. So that will help you to create a new AWS free account. So once your payment gateway completed, payment step completed, you will redirect to next step. In this step, we have to provide more information regarding some personal details as well as everything, like whether you are using a personal account or business account, whatever maybe. So see, this is the primary, it is asking primary purpose of the account registration. So I am using for my personal usage. If you are running a business, you can use it business operations, but this is my personal usage only. Ownership type, you can type a individual, you can choose a individual, and here, as I said, it is asking a verification document. So you can use the DigiLocker as well, but that's up to your wish. So I'm see, you have Aadhaar card, PAN card, and all. If you give the PAN card, you have to upload a PAN card details. If you use the Aadhaar card, you have to redirect to the DigiLocker portal, and it will collect it from those details there. So it's up to your wish. I am using to upload my PAN card directly, guys, because I don't want to provide access my DigiLocker to every website. So for security reasons, I am using, but secure way, but I am uploading a PAN card directly in my account. So you can use the same if you want. So once you upload your verification, it will verify, and you can once you upload your documentation, it will verify your credentials, and it will land it up to the sign-in page. I just skip the step. Once you sign in, once you enter a password, mail ID again, you sign into the AWS console page. So here it is the AWS console page, and you can see the data couldn't be fetched. It takes some time to load, and you can explore all the options via this tool, and you just close it. And here you can see all the regions. By default, I am going to use a North Virginia region for all our students. You can use the same, and you can start practice your AWS services. So Satya, how to set up a billing? Okay, so before going to that, if you walk through this, if you're completely new, if you're completely fresher to the cloud, you just walk through one by one services. Here it is a global search option. You can search any services, like in AWS we have up to 270 plus services available. You can search any of the services. The basic is EC2, S3, CloudWatch, and IAM. You can search any of the services here. So I'm going to, once account creation done, we are going to set up a billing alerts. So this billing alerts is mandatory. Yes, guys. So if you want to spend a free cost, you have to set up a billing. So just type billing here. You can see billing and cost management. Click on this option. And okay, my still AWS registration is pending. Let me complete it. I just skip one step. Let me complete the registration. I'll come back here. So once you completed the step of authentication, once you upload the ID proof, it will land up to this page. Actually, as I said, I used my existing phone number and existing PAN card, so I am not eligible for the free plan. If you are going to use the unique phone number, unique identification, you are going to eligible for this. So don't worry, you can easily grab it. And so I just agree it. In your case, it will show like you are eligible for the free plan for 6 months. So I confirm it. Okay. So basic support free, I am using it. Yes. I don't want any business support. And here it is. As I shown you earlier, I landed on the AWS dashboard. This is the AWS dashboard. You can explore all the AWS dashboard options, and you can set up a billing. Okay, how to set up a billing and how to set up a multi-factor authentication. Let's see those. So just search here billing. You can see billing and cost management. Click on this option. In left side budgets, here you can see the create a budget option here. CC budgets. So you can create a budget. Okay, so in the budget, I don't want a full budget. I just want a customized one. You can use the customized one or else use the template. See, right now I don't want to pay any single rupee. I can spend zero spend budget. I can use this option. Okay, so you will get a mail or alert once it was reached more than $0.01. $0.01. Usually in real time in companies, how they are going to set up the budgets. That's I'll teach in my classes usually. So usually they choose this customize option and they can set up a billing plan. So usually I'm doing that regular basis. So I know that how to do that. So this simple option you can just use zero spend budget. Okay, and the budget name just keep as it is, and which email ID you want, just you can give your email ID and create budget. So once it was created, it will continuously monitor your account. If you charge any of the amount, you will get a mail. You can terminate those. You can waive off those billing as well. We have an option to waive off the bill. How to waive off the bill, I will tell you in the upcoming videos. And let's create a next multi-factor authentication. Okay, so this is not that much mandatory. So if you sign out and sign in also, it will ask. For example, we have two options. You can set up a MFA here itself using the security, but Satya, I don't want to do that like this. So is there any other option? Yes. So if you sign out, yes, if you are signing to console again, so here you have to provide your root mail ID and password. So always use a root account. So what is IAM user? That is a technical topics. I will explain those in the classes. So I am using my mail ID and the password. Once you sign in, usually it will ask here, but it's not asking. Okay, let's click on the security credentials in the account. Here, the security credentials. Okay, and you can search for a MFA, multi-factor assign MFA device, and you can use authenticate app or anything. Passkey. Passkey means your laptop fingerprint or face ID. You can use a Microsoft 365 or any other tokens. Right now I am not going to do any of this. This is a second level of security setup. So the best way for individual purpose is a passkey. If you choose this, if you go to next, the device name may be Aarvitex. Aarvitex. Okay, next. So it will ask to create a passkey, or it will ask to show on any other way. I'm going to use any of this option, Google change password option, and I'm just giving my thumb. If I give my thumb, automatically it will create a passkey. Okay, if you are using Windows, in your case, you can use your Windows login password or Windows Face ID. Those things will work. Okay, so this is about the overview of the how to create an account. Okay, Satya, you are saying free. What type of services I'll get a free? Let's see that. So type AWS.Amazon. Instead of console, just type /free. So you'll see here all the plans comparatively. Okay, so for free tags, what are the free one? You will usually receive $200 credits. Okay, that means you can use up to let me explain you a service wise. If you are using this one, AWS EC2 console, you will get up to 750 hours. Here it is not showing, but let me check it out. You will get 750 hours of the T2 micro free. Okay, previously they explained clearly. Now they mention the receive up to 200 USD free credits. You can use these free credits across all the services. Okay, the mandatory by default you'll get a services called EC2. For EC2, 750 hours per month, but you have to use T2.micro. Those are services and instance types. Okay, and for S3, you will get 5 GB storage of free. Okay, for database, you will get 750 hours of the database is free. And for Lambda function, you will get 1 million request is free. So what is this terminologies and all? Okay, you have to learn those terminologies. So once you step inside the AWS, once you start learning the AWS networking concepts, AWS services, you get to know all the details. Okay, so yeah, and that's everything. You need to go get your AWS account fully set up and secure. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next session. The next session, I'm planning to take how to log into EC2 server, how to create a EC2 server, and how to set up a lab. Those things and all I'm planning in the upcoming videos. So, and if you're serious about the career, if you want to learn cloud or DevOps in 2026, please check out Aarvitex. Please subscribe to Aarvitex. You'll get continuous free learning stuff. So guys, this is just starting, but in future I'm going to provide a bunch of technical stuff. You will get a free. So you may ask me one question, Satya. In YouTube, I'm getting all the free, right? Why I need to subscribe your channel? Why I need to see your content? Comparatively, this is a complete real time. So outside, you are not sure whether they are working or not. You are not sure whether they have the real time skill or not. You are not sure. I trained hundreds of students, nearly 500 students. I trained till now. Okay, and I gave complete real time. And I'm going to show all the real-time use cases with the real-time examples. So that's what you can get from me, from Aarvitex. Please subscribe subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.